Welcome, in this video I will show you how to start a workout on Apple Watch Ultra 3. To start a workout, first you have to press the digital crown to open the list of all applications, then using the same digital crown scroll down to Workout app and tap on it to open. And now to choose the kind of activity you want to perform, you have to scroll down the list and select the one that is right for you, or if you don't see it on the list, then tap the plus icon and add a workout from the bigger list. Once you select the workout that you need, for example, let it be yoga, to start it you have to press the play icon at the bottom of the screen. This way you will start the workout. Now, using the button on the left edge of your device, you can set segments, and using this side button on the right edge, you can pause the workout. Now, to stop the workout, you have to swipe to the right and then select. And this way you will end your workout. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.